Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome to the day one of the AI for Database Professional Foundation classes. I'm really excited to start the journey with you. This is going to be a 20-30 minute session, and today we are focusing purely on the concept and architecture. No coding yet, we are building the foundation. So, the today class, what we are going to achieve. So, here is my promise to you. By end of this class, we are going to remove the fear around AI. We are going to burst some common myth that you have probably heard. And most important, I'm going to show you exactly where you as a database engineer fit into modern AI system. Because here is the thing, you already have a skill, you just need to know how to apply them. So let me introduce myself. So this course is called AI for Database Professional Foundation classes, and I'm coming to you with an over 15 year of experience as a database professional, as a replication expert, and now working with the AI system. And here is some important I want to know. I'm not a data scientist. I'm a database professional, and I did not come from the Python or a machine learning background. I came from the same world you are in right now, database, data pipeline, performance tuning, and exactly that is why I can teach you in the language that make you now. So why AI is everywhere now? So let's start with an obvious question. What is the AI suddenly everywhere? You have got the chat GPT, you have got the Microsoft Copilot, you have got enterprise AI tool pop up left and right. But here is what people don't understand. AI is not new. What is new is accessibility. 10 years ago, the only big tech company with a massive resource could build these systems. Now, anyone can use them. That is the real change. So, the myth, okay, the AI is killing everyone. All right, so let's kill some myth right now because there are things that create fear and confusion, and myth number one is AI is going to replace DBA. No, it is not. Myth number two, AI work without data. Completely false. And myth number three, AI is only for a developer or a Python developer, just I put, but only for a developer. No, wrong. Here is a reality. AI without data is useless. AI with wrong data is dangerous. And who know data better than anyone else? We do. Database professional, and that is our domain. So what actually AI actually needs? Okay. So fourth thing, number one, it's need a data. So you need to have a clean and a fresh data, accurate data where you can train your models. I don't want to go in the deep. Number two, you need a context. Which context? I mean, which type of data or context you want to train your data and relate for the business. Third important is governance. Obviously, you need a security who need to access and who cannot. So how you can protect your sensitive data. And number cost. Number four is a cost control because AI system can get expensive fast if you don't architect it properly, and that is where DBA comes. So every single one part is our territory. When the people say AI is going to replace DBA, they have it completely backward. AI system need DBA more than ever. So now come to a bigger term, no jargon, AI, ML, LLM. I don't want to go deep again. Just I want to tell is AI is artificial intelligence, which is a goal for us to join. Think of a 20-year back when people say, oh, if you want to grow, you need to learn computer. Am I right? But what in computer? Do you need to learn hardware? Do you need to learn software? Do you need to learn networking? Do you need to learn in the software database? Do you not need to learn the development? You need to learn Java? What? That was a question mark. Here, AI is a big. What you want to learn in the AI? So, just in a simple term, the AI is an artificial intelligence, and that is a broader umbrella term. Machine learning is about the pattern learning, where the system look for data and find the pattern. LLM is a large language model that powers the Chat GPT, like us, like Chat GPT. It is necessary a language prediction engine. And here is something really important to understand. LLM doesn't actually understand the meaning. They predict the words. That's all. They don't understand the meaning. They predict the words. Think of it like an autocomplete task. Now, the second is what is about the traditional app and the AI. So in the traditional app, is a very simple. Am I right? You have an application, and then you have an user interface layer, application layer, and the relational database. But in application, you have a user interface, you have a large language model, you have a vector database. Again, you have a relational database. Don't itch your head. Oh my God! In AI platform or AI app, you are implementing, I can say, relational database. You are implementing vector database. So here is what you need to understand: relational database doesn't disappear. Okay, AI means we doesn't need a traditional database anymore. No, where we'll maintain the system of records. And most important, keep this line while starting of learning any AI. LLM is an stateless. Means when you hit a query or information to the LLM or chatbot to get the data, every single hitting is a new request for the LLM. So it doesn't contain the session information and all. That is the biggest important point you need. So this is traditional app and AI where you have now you need to understand how the business logic go to the response, how AI logic works, response comes. This will go in a detail. This is just an overview I'm telling. Now the question is where DBA fits in. Sorry. So here is a very simple term. You have a UI, app, RDBMS, you have a UI, LLM, vector database, and RDB. Now, second is where DBA fits in the AI system. So, where the exactly DBA fits. So, this is the most important slide of this video. So, we manage them data source. You know the what data exists, where it lives, and how it access. We build the pipeline. We move the data from source system to the AI system. We enforce the security, data access, privacy, compliance. We optimize it, latency, throughput, query performance, and this is our bread and butter. Monitoring. We watch it. We monitor it. Who will know more than the monitoring about database DB? So here is a phrase I want to remember. AI engineer build demo, DBA make it AI production ready. So AI engineer build demo, DBA make it AI performance ready. Keep this tagline with you. Anyone can spin up a proof of concept, but getting it to work at a scale in production with a real user and a real data and a real business constant that require a database expert. That is not a piece of cake for someone developing. So here is a DBA skill that mapping to the AI skill. We have a table in AI. We says document and chunks. We have index in AI. You have a vector indexing. You have worked with an Oracle Golden Gate and a CDC tool. We have data ingestion in AI tool. We have a SQL tuning. Here we say latency in AI. We implement data security. Here is a governance or a guardrail. We work for the pattern. We do not see the pattern. Okay. We are not starting from zero. We are translating what we already know into a new context. Okay. So what this course will teach you: vector database, RAG architecture, Oracle is in Oracle, but you can put RDBMS and AI integration and real enterprise use case. So, what is coming tomorrow? Not exactly tomorrow, in my next video. So, we are going to dive into how AI application really works. We will walk through the end-to-end AI workflow step by step. You will see exactly what happened when user asks a question to the chat GPT, how the AI process work, how it retrieve data, how it generate a response. All this will explain in a very layman language, and you can say the database in the next video will go series. So here is a homework for you. Okay, and the homework is very simple, and that is non-technical homework. Which one of the system of record which hold or authorized or trusted data you have, and what are the unstructured data present in your system, and what type of enterprise architect, or you can say like any kind of AI that your company is using. Okay, so just note down that. We'll discuss in the next video. So okay, just before closing that, I just want to tell you that you are not behind. You have a valuable skill that AI system desperately need. And I will see you next video where we are going to get into an actual architecture of AI application that will help. Thanks for joining me. Take care. We'll see you soon. Thank you.